My moonflowers. They've got blooms, buds. I always say blooms, but it's buds. Bunch up here. I don't know how tall it is, I can't tell. This is great though. There's a yellow leaf. I don't know why some of the leaves turn yellow. I guess that's just the way it is. That's alright. As long as I can pick them off. There's the moonflower. I mean, oh my gosh. Sunflower that broke off, and it's got more coming out. I was gonna take it down and use that bucket for a tomato plant, but it looks too good right now. I don't want to do that. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all how the buds looked, and there's something eating on these. See how they look? All up and down here. And birds are mad at me today, so I put some seeds up here on the porch rail till I get out this evening, and put some feed in their feeders because they're empty. Look at my tomatoes over there, y'all. There's a bunch on them. Now the hummingbirds are mad at me because I won't move. Maybe if I sit down I can catch one. I just put out 2 this year because there's not many here. And y'all, the big fancy ones you buy, they end up leaking. So I won't buy any more of them. I just get some from the Dollar Tree and use them for a season. Here's my girlfriend wanting to come out. It is hot. Yesterday, I was praying for rain so I wouldn't have to water. When I got back from my Walmart pickup and got everything in and everything, I was about to get ready to go out and water. It comes up this little cloud and rain. And that was great. I thank God for that. And we might get another one this evening, the way it's looking. And what I heard on the news, or weather or something, that we may have an end to the drought. So that'll be nice. Because it don't matter how much you water, plants love rain. Can't beat it. They're fighting. I'm waiting on them to come back. See what I mean? They're telling me they're out of food. I don't know if anybody else has this problem, but my hummingbirds are being ruled by a bully. It's a bully hummingbird, and he won't let any of them eat if he can help it. There's that yellow bird. Let's see if I can get him. He's on top of that sunflower. I looked up the name of it, but I forgot. See him up there? He's pretty. He's pretty. He likes the sunflower seeds. Come on, hummingbird. There he is on the feeder. He's on the feeder now. He's like, come on, woman. Bring the feed out here. all these birds around here are eating a lot of bird seed. So I had to start getting the big bags of sunflower seeds because that's what they mostly like anyway. 40-pound bag at Walmart is like $20. I didn't think it was too bad. But it don't last no time till it's empty again. I mean, I know I have to fill it up every other day. And I let it go empty a little while because, you know, they need time to find their own food for a little bit. Come on, hummingbirds. I can't wait all day. Guess they're not coming. By the time I quit, they'll come. It's a little weary.